Good day, class. So, this is for Research 2, Module 3. Okay. So, understanding variables, measurement, and levels of measurement. Amo na nga ito nga topic subong sa Module 3. Now, let's go sa what are variables. So, okay. Ang mga variables are qualities or characteristics na attributes of people, objects, or situations that can change or vary. So sa research, we study these variables to observe relationships, patterns, and or effects. So nga vary ini. So to vary means that the value of the variable can differ from one individual to another or change over time. So for example, sa age, one person may be 20 years old, another is 45. So nagavary ang variable sa age. And let's say sa stress level, no? Can increase during exams and decrease after vacation. So, paano ginagamit ang mga variables sa research? How are variables used in research? So these variables can be manipulated. So you can change the variable on purpose. For example, giving participants different doses of caffeine, di ba? So gina-measured siya, you can be observe or quantify it. So another example, using a thermometer to measure body temperature. Sa controlled naman, you can keep it constant to prevent it from affecting results. So example, keeping room temperature the same during an experiment. Okay? So ano mga examples ng variables? Mayara kita age, measurable in years. Varies from person to person, of course. And then we can also give the example of gender, category, no? For example, male, female. And then the stress level can be rated using scales. So example, be high or low ang stress level. Blood pressure can rise or fall depending on the health, time of day, or activity. Okay? So miyara kita independent independent variable, dependent and independent variables. And then sa measurement naman. So wait. Measurement is the process of assigning numbers to a variable to indicate the level, amount, or intensity of that variable. Let's say kung ano gina-measure in a systematic way. So sa research, we measure variables to quantify them. So turning qualities into numbers so we can analyze them statistically. So for example, you can just say someone is tall or smart. Those are subjective. So but if you measure ang tall sa height in centimeters, let's say 170 cm. Okay? Sa IQ score naman, when you say intelligent, i-quantify ta siya into numbers. The IQ score is 115. And let's say sa pain level, so 7 out of 10 on a scale. So now, by that, now you've objectively quantified the variable. So, ano ang mga benefit of measurement? So, gina-remove niya ang subjectivity, guesswork ng pakot-pakot, gina-remove niya. So, instead of saying, she looks stressed, we use a scale or test to measure how stressed kung ano ang iyang na level na. Okay? So, ang measurement also provides precise information. So, we get exact numbers. Example, sa blood pressure, let's say is 140 over 90. So, not just high. You can just say it's high. But we give exact numbers. Okay, 140 over 90. So, also, sa measurement enables common understanding. So, everyone in the research field, like clinic or industry, can interpret the data in the same way because the measurement is standardized. Okay? Now for the levels of measurement. So, why levels of measurement matter? Nanaga matter ini. So, because it affects let's say what kind of statistics you can use, how you can analyze and interpret the data, the accuracy of power of your results. Okay? So, we have the nominal, no? Sa nominal, data are categorized without any order. So these are labels or names only. Like for example, examples ang nominal, gender, male, female, o sa blood type AB, B, AB, or O. Sa religion, Catholic, Muslim, Buddhist, civil status, single, married, widowed, 'di ba? So those are nominal. Okay. Sa frequency counts naman, how many per group, no, sa mode and then most common category. So we have the ordinal. So sa ordinal, data can be rank or ordered, but the intervals between ranks are not equal. So may ranking siya. So class rankings, first, second, third. So example inasang ordinal by order. So satisfaction levels, very satisfied, satisfied, neutral, dissatisfied, and very dissatisfied. So ordinal siya kay by rank. So pain level naman, none, mild, moderate, severe. So ini naga-allow sang statistical analysis. Okay, so median and mode. So rank order correlation, no, let's say because per months row. So non-parametric test like kung ano ang test na gamitin mo. Excuse me. So with ordinal, you can say which is more or less but not by how much or less. How about sa interval level? So data have ordered categories with equal distances between values but no true zero. Wala sa sang true zero. So for example, temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit. Sa IQ scores, calendar, let's say sa calendar years, example 2000, 2025. So with this, it allows statistical analysis, the mean and standard deviation, no? So we have the person's correlation, t-test, and ANOVA if normal distribution is assumed. So take note of this. You can do addition, subtraction, but not ratio. So can say 20 degrees Celsius is twice as hot as 10 degrees Celsius. Okay? Sa ratio level, so like sa interval, but when a true zero, you can make statements like twice as much. Sa interval, hindi. Okay, so examples, ang weight niya, 0 kilogram means no weight. Height, 0 cm is true 0. So income, 0 means no income. Number of children, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So sa statistical analysis, all statistics, mean, median, mode, SD, correlation, regression, t-test, ANOVA, coefficient of variation. Okay? So, now we have the nominal level. Amo ni gin-explain ko kagina, di ba? So sa nominal data consists of categories or names used label variables without any order or ranking. Amo ni mga examples. And then the ordinal. So ordinal may category siya, no equal spacing between ranks. So ang stress siya may low, median, high. 'Di ba? Kung ma-measure kita sang perception, we have the excellent to poor, do abo na. So, how about sa interval? Equal intervals but not true zero. So, example na di, temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit or pH level. Okay. Sa ratio level, amo ni siya ang equal intervals plus absolute zero. Amo ni ginahambal ko, examples, income, weight, height, number of children, nurses per shift. Okay, so you know the order but you don't know how much more or less between them. Okay. We have the measurement tools. Ano ang mga measurement tools? We have the Likert scale. So, ang sa Likert scale, amo ni siya sang agree to disagree option. Sa semantic differential, we have the bipolar adjective ratings, no? And then so on. Okay? So, damo sa measurement tools class. Now, I want you to test your knowledge by identifying the correct level of measurement. So, you can comment down below by answering this 1 to 10. And don't forget to write your name. You can use your personal email. Okay? So, that's for it, class. Very simple for Module 3. Bye.